Most people get this wrong. They think Advance IQ is just another cash advance service, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access installment options and budgeting tools to give users more control over short-term finances if used wisely. Here's how it works. Advance IQ lets you withdraw a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. It also allows certain purchases to be split into installments over several weeks. Instead of high interest, it charges flat fees per transaction or advance. The app provides repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional budgeting features. The downside, overusing Advance IQ can be expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can lead to accumulating fees and restricted access. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only advance what you truly need and can repay on your next payday. 2. Use alerts to avoid missed payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who should use Advance IQ? Steady income earners who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing payments. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, it could cost more than it helps. In conclusion, Advance IQ in 2026 is a convenient tool for managing short-term cash, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a convenience, monitor fees, and follow repayment plans. Subscribe for more reviews and tips to manage your money effectively.